Welcome to the Lamar Memorial Library at Maryville College. In this video, you will learn some basic search tips, specifically how to correctly enter keywords and phrases in search engines and databases. We will also cover wildcards or truncation and how to use these in searches. You can use these search tips in just about every database and search engine. By using these search tips, you will see more relevant results in your searches. To do our searches, we need an example of a research question. We will use the question, is raising the minimum wage for fast food workers a good idea? Within this question, we have the keywords and phrases needed to do our search. These are minimum wage, fast food, and workers. Notice that minimum wage and fast food are phrases. When you enter minimum wage into most search engines and databases, you will see results with every record containing the word minimum and every record containing the word wage. The same is true for fast food. Your search results will contain every record with fast and every record with food. So it's easy to understand why some of your results in your results list will be unrelated. To demonstrate this in MCQuest, let's enter our search terms into the MCQuest search box and view the results. This search retrieved over 92,000 records. MCQuest retrieved every record containing minimum, wage, fast food, and workers. Relevant items appear at the top of the list because MCQuest sorts your results by relevance, or the number of times your keywords appear based on the size of the document. However, further down the list, unrelated records will appear. The number of search results is overwhelming. To find more relevant search results and to eliminate records that may not be related, anytime you search for a phrase, where the words in the phrase should appear together, enter the phrase in quotation marks in the search box. The revised search shows fewer results, but these are more relevant because MCQuest only retrieved records with the exact phrases. Remember, using quotation marks around phrases is useful for finding exact phrases in results. There is still one issue to address with the research question. Is raising the minimum wage for fast food workers a good idea? Consider the phrase, good idea. This phrase is probably not the best to use in a search, because it may give you biased results. Remember, you are searching for information with multiple viewpoints. Better keywords to consider when searching for these types of value questions include debate, argument, controversy, or pro-con. So, our revised search might be minimum wage fast food workers and argument. After doing some preliminary research, you may even change your original research question to, what are the impacts of raising the minimum wage for fast food workers? This question allows the opportunity to explore different viewpoints. Another search tip related to keywords is truncation. Truncation, the use of wildcards to truncate words, is useful when you want to search for a concept that includes various word endings or spellings. A great example to use for truncation is the term environment. Do you want results with environmental? Or are you searching for environmentalism? Perhaps you also want your search results to include the term environmentalist? But what about also including the term environments? If you're uncertain which term to use, start by truncating the term. Truncation can help make searching for all the various spellings of the concept easier by using a wildcard symbol with your term. Most search engines and databases, including MCQuest, Google, and Google Scholar, use the asterisk. On your keyboard, it's the Shift key plus the 8 key. Truncation is really easy. To search for all the words like environmental, environmentalism, environmentalist, environments, you simply enter environment with the asterisk. Notice truncating will broaden your search and increase your results because you are searching for multiple terms. If you want to know more about research or using MCQuest and other library resources, the librarians at Maryville College are ready to help you in person in the library. You can also schedule an appointment with the librarians through the quick link, Make a Research Appointment, on the library's homepage. Thank you for using the Lamar Memorial Library.